As I've talked about multiple times, I do have a relatively modest sized 2-car garage at our house, and sometimes it gets a little bit difficult to fit everything I want to use for my cars and our house and camping and whatever inside our garage. So one place that you should definitely not ever hesitate to store things is the ceiling and up high on the walls. As you can see, we have my road bike and my wife's beach cruiser hanging up on the ceiling, and then behind that we have all of my gardening tools. So rakes, push broom, shovels, hoes, flippers, branch loppers, all of that is up on the wall and out of the way so that I can still use that area to work on my car, get to all my air tools. And so while there is a ton of stuff stored in that corner, it's all up out of the way and I don't have to worry about it. Of course, as mentioned in a previous video, I also have my hose reel up there, so it's completely out of the way, and I can use it very easily to air up tires or use air tools across the garage. Also mentioned in other videos and even pictured on my Instagram page, I have all of my extra slicks up in the top corner. You can also see I have a hardware organizer hanging up there. I've got a few different toolkits and all my spray paint up there high on the wall, out of the way, but still easily accessible. And then one of my favorite storage hacks is this area right here, which is holding up all of the wood that I've got in my garage, or at least all of the large pieces. Most of the weight is supported by the studs on the other side of a sheetrock, but a little bit of the weight is supported by the frame for the garage door. But all of my wood is tucked up high, out of the way. You could use the entire garage for months and never even be slightly bothered that it's there. So instead of it all being stuffed in a corner, it's up high out of the way. I can easily see what wood I have and what wood I might need to go buy for a project. But by having all these objects stored high up on the wall or on the ceiling, they're out of my way, out of sight, out of mind until I need them, and then I can easily get to them instead of them being stuffed in an attic or down in a crawl space or in my way at floor level. Of course, if you guys have any questions or suggestions, go ahead and drop those in the comments below, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next week.